today, guys, we're going to make one of my childhood favorites. And that's the Little Debbie oatmeal cakes. Oh, they were my favorite growing up. But these, they put Little Debbie to shame. These are amazing. You have to give this a try. So to make this, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to cream some room temp butter and some dark brown sugar together. Next, we're going to add in some molasses. And 1 egg. And then we're going to beat this together until it's fully combined. Now this is our wet ingredients, so we're going to go ahead and set this aside and we're going to work on our dry ingredients. Now for your dry ingredients, you're going to need some all-purpose flour, some old-fashioned rolled oats, oatmeal, and you're also going to need some ginger powder, cinnamon, allspice, a little bit of baking soda, and salt. Now we're just going to whisk this together. So now we're just going to go ahead and start to incorporate our dry into our wet. I'm going to add about 1/3 of it, mix it, add half of it, mix it, and then add the rest. You guys, these cookies are so good. So here I have my cookie dough, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this in the refrigerator and let it chill for about 30 minutes. Now to bake your cookies, you're going to take about 1 tablespoonful of cookie dough, roll it into a ball, press it out slightly, and then you're going to pop it in the oven at 350 and let it bake for about 9 to 12 minutes. Now you want to remember these cookies are going to be soft, so don't overbake your cookies. Now for the cream filling, I'm going to take a shortcut, okay? I'm just going to take some marshmallow fluff and some vanilla frosting, and I'm going to whip it together until it's nice and creamy. Now once that's nice and fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and make a piping bag out of a Ziploc baggie. I have it sitting in a cup so it can hold it up straight for me. And I'm just going to go ahead and add that cream filling to the plastic baggie. Next, I just tied the top of it, and I'm going to go ahead and snip the tip. So here are our cookies. You want to let them cool on the pan for about 5 minutes, and then you want to transfer them to a cooling rack. So next, all you have to do is pipe on your cream. Now I will say this cream is a little on the sweeter side. I found this quick cream version on Pinterest, and it didn't really have measurements. It just said mix some marshmallow fluff with some icing. So that's what I did. So it is on the sweeter side, you guys, but I promise you it comes together in the end. So now all you have to do is sandwich your cookies together. And you guys, I thought these cookies were good the day that I made them, but after a day of like sitting and the cream set, these were almost identical to Little Debbie oatmeal cakes. They were better. Okay, because you don't get that artificial flavor. So freaking delicious, you guys. This is definitely in my top 5. I always say, oh, this is a favorite, but this is definitely in my top 5 favorite recipes. These are so good, girl. Please give this a try. Yum.